everybody, this is Mike here from Food Travelers, and in this mini we're sharing our experience staying at the Peppermill Resort Spa Casino in Reno, Nevada. The room that we got is in the Peppermill Tower, and it's called the Peppermill Deluxe 2 Queen Beds Non-Smoking. As you leave and exit the elevator, you'll be met with 2 giant TVs. The floor layout is essentially a Y shape. So please do mind and read the signs before walking to your room, or otherwise you'll be walking for a really long time, going the opposite direction. So as you get to your room here, you'll see everything kind of has this nice golden accent to it. The bathroom itself, with the white countertops and walls and everything, I think everything looks really contemporary. It looks new. It feels like really contemporary and fresh. Makes the room, and it just kind of enhances your experience there. So in the bathroom, it has every amenity that you do need with your shampoo and soap and everything. It has the towels and hair dryer, mirrors, and everything that you need for your stay here. The water pressure, I do have to say, is on the shallower side, I would say. A little bit higher pressure would have been nice to have. As you see, this wardrobe door is quite beat up for being a newly remodeled room. If that door should have been replaced, or they should have left it that way, let me know what you think in the comment below. Another thing I did want to mention is this piping door is exposed. I kind of feel like that should have been closed up for the guests, and that shouldn't have been open for you to look at. So looking around the room here, you kind of see the artwork and the gold accents kind of throughout, like the theme of the room, and everything matches really well. I also like the AC being you're able to control the AC down to a lower temperature below 65 degrees if that is something that you prefer, which is always nice to have, because there are a lot of hotels where they won't allow you to go below a certain temperature. So with this room, there is a refrigerator and a tiny safe deposit box, and there's also that Keurig machine with tea and coffee, and that's always nice to have in a room. And there are 2 free water bottles to use during the stay, and there's plenty of AC outlets and USB recharging plugs for all the devices that you may want to plug in while you're staying here. Being on the 3rd floor, unfortunately, there's really nothing to look at here. So on their website, upon arrival, you'll be greeted with panoramic city or mountain views. I did not find that to be true. As you're seeing here in the video, there is really nothing to look at. It kind of gives me that feeling where I'm staying at a cruise ship and I have this window view, but then that window view is just to let me know if it's daytime or nighttime. Fortunately for this day, it was sunny, so it's nice to see the clouds and the sun there. So on both sides of the bed, there are these little lamp posts where when you flip it up, it turns on, and when you push it back down, it turns off. Makes it really convenient. And there are AC outlets on both sides of the bed, which makes it nice, something that not that many rooms have. And there is a full-size mirror and also a half-size mirror. And in between both beds, there are more of these lighting and a alarm clock, as well as more AC and USB charging outlets. As you see, there's quite a bit of storage there. My biggest complaint here is that noisy AC. Overall, if you're looking for a hotel with a contemporary styling and you don't mind a noisy AC, this could be a good choice.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.